Hi, welcome to the EaseUS channel. Today, I'm back with a tutorial on how to clone a hard drive using command prompt. As the command prompt only copies files, folders, subfolders, and directories, I'll also guide you with a specialized tool to clone entire hard drive. Here are 3 effective ways to copy your entire data. Each method offers a different approach, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. This video will cover everything from using a one-click transfer tool to command prompts. Here we go. The first method is to use the Xcopy command. It is a built-in Windows utility that provides more control over the cloning process. Here's how to use it. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do so, you need to search CMD, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Enter the command Xcopy source destination /e/i/h/c/y. Source means your source drive letter. Add the destination drive letter to destination. My source drive to copy is C, and the destination drive is D. I'll use this command, xcopy c:\d:/e/i/h/c/y. The meaning of the above parameters: /e, copy all subdirectories, including the empty one. /h, copy the hidden and system file. /i, force Xcopy to assume that destination is a directory. /c, force Xcopy to continue even if it encounters an error. /y, stop the Xcopy command from prompting you about overwriting files from sources that already exist in the destination location. Press Enter to execute the command. Wait for the process to complete. It will take some time depending on the size of the data. The Xcopy command offers flexibility and control. However, the process is only suitable for those who are comfortable with command line operations. The next method is to use the copy command. It is a simpler command line tool for basic cloning tasks, but the method is also suitable for tech-savvy persons having experience with using command line tools. Search CMD and right-click on it. Select Run as Administrator to open the command prompt. Enter the command copy source example.txt destination. Add the source drive letter and path to the source. Example.txt is the specific file name to copy. Replace destination with the destination drive letter and path. My source drive is C and the destination is D, so I'll use this command copy c:\example.txt D. Press Enter to start copying files. Wait for the process to complete. The copy command is great for quick and simple cloning, but is not suitable for large-scale data transfers. Both command line tools can transfer only files, folders, subfolders, and directories. You'll need a specialized tool to clone entire hard drive. Moreover, beginners may have difficulties in using command line tools. One alternative way to clone a hard drive is using EaseUS Disk Copy. It is our top recommended tool for its ease of use and comprehensive features. You can transfer everything from your hard drive with just a single click. Here's how to use it. Download and install EaseUS Disk Copy from the official website. I've provided the download link in the description. Open the EaseUS Disk Copy software. Select Clone from the main menu, then click on Clone Disk. Choose the source disk you want to clone. Now, select the destination disk where the clone will be copied. Review settings and click Proceed. Wait for the cloning process to complete. The time required depends on the drive size and hardware speed. This method is perfect for those who prefer a graphical interface and a straightforward cloning process. It is the easiest and most recommended way to clone your hard drive. Alright, that's all for today. To recap, Xcopy provides advanced control through the command line. The copy command is best for basic cloning tasks. EaseUS Disk Copy is ideal for an easy and graphical approach. Choose the method that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.